In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a blog and monetize it using Wix Studio. Whether you're looking to share your passion, build a personal brand, or generate an income online, blogging is an incredibly rewarding and versatile platform with Wix Studio. Creating a blog is easier than ever, thanks to its user-friendly tools and customizable options. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional blog and a clear roadmap for turning it into a source of income. So let's dive in and get started. The first thing you need to do is head over to the Wix Studio website. This is where all the magic happens. Open up your web browser and type in Wix Studio to find the official site. Once you're there, you'll notice the clean and intuitive design of the homepage. This is where you'll begin creating your blog. Next, look for the login option on the homepage. It's usually located at the top right corner of the screen. If you don't already have an account, don't worry, Wix makes it super easy to sign up. Simply follow the prompt to continue with Google or another preferred option. Once your account is created, you'll be ready to start building your blog. Now that you're logged in, it's time to dive into the Wix Studio editor. Inside the editor, you'll see a variety of tools and options for customizing your website. Look for the plus icon, which is used to add new elements to your site. Clicking on this will open up a menu filled with different features and components. From this menu, you'll want to select the blog option. This is the foundation of your site, and it's specifically designed to make sharing posts simple and streamlined. Once you've selected this option, click Add to Site. This step integrates the blog format directly into your website, so you can start creating content right away. With your blog format in place, the next step is personalization. Wix Studio gives you the freedom to customize your blog to match your vision. Use the editor to adjust the layout, tweak the color scheme, try out different fonts, and experiment with other design elements. This is your chance to make your blog visually appealing and reflective of your brand or personality. Take your time here. You want your site to make a great first impression. Now that your blog is starting to look the way you want it, it's time to focus on the content. Begin by planning the type of posts you'd like to feature. Think about your niche or topic of interest and aim to create posts that are both informative and engaging. Whether it's travel, tech, lifestyle, or business, make sure your content provides value to your readers. Once you have a plan, it's time to create your first few blog posts. These initial posts will help populate your site and give visitors a reason to come back for more. Use Wix Studio's tools to format your posts, add images, and make your content easy to read. Of course, having a great blog is just the beginning. To attract visitors, you'll need to implement some basic SEO strategies. This includes optimizing your posts with relevant keywords, crafting compelling meta descriptions, and ensuring your site is mobile-friendly. Additionally, promoting your blog on social media is a fantastic way to drive traffic and connect with a broader audience. Finally, let's talk about monetization. Once your blog is up and running, there are several ways you can start earning from it. Affiliate marketing is a popular option, where you earn a commission by promoting products or services. You could also write sponsored posts for brands that align with your niche. Alternatively, consider offering subscriptions or selling digital products like ebooks or online courses. Take the time to explore these options and choose what works best for you and your audience. And that's it. You now have everything you need to start a blog and monetize it using Wix Studio. Creating a blog takes time and effort, but with the tools and strategies we've covered today, you're well on your way to building something amazing. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.